Yeah, what up? Oh, we in Brooklyn, finished the coupe. Nice little size. I'm recording against the sun. So now they all stay nice and dry in there. Put milk crates for $5. That's where I'm supposed to be. That's the string. We don't take off pass. Not unless we have to. Now I got a nice. Now they gonna see the colors right. What? Go down. Emergency. Alright, go downstairs. I'm gonna be right there. I gotta go downstairs. They're kicking everybody out of the pool. We got a lot of garbage to get rid of once we get rid of all this garbage. You know these tippers we got, you don't think of they bad. I was born here. Nice. Look at that. Nice black. Look at that black tea or something wrong with it. Look at that nice Budapest. It's called that. Little young black flag was born here. Little Dunn was born here. Done right there. What is that right down? It's nice. On here. Look at that Isabella. Nice. I'm gonna stuck like this way. Get in there. Put it back. Get up there. Come on! Right. Time out.